Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to look at old street view on Google Maps. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all, we need to open the Google Maps. It is pretty obvious. So right here, for the sake of the video, I'm going to click on New York, and if I click here, you will get to see the icon like this at the bottom right corner. We just need to drag this up and paste it any location. So I'll just paste it right here. So as you can see, this is the location, and we are going to get back to the time. So you can see the see more dates option right here. Just click there, and these are all dates available. Like you can just click on October 2022, then view will get changed. And similarly, we can just play with these dates. Like I just want to go back to June 2011. So you can see the view is changed, and the cars, everything is changed. Now as you can see, at this location we are getting the view from only 2009 to 2018. So it will vary according to your location. Like sometime you will get the view from 2007 to 2024, or sometime you will get the view from only 2022. So it will vary. But yeah guys, that's it. This is how you can look at old street view on Google Maps. Now it's your time to repay me. For that, you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.